Hello all, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will see how to delete a VPC. So I have already logged into my AWS console. I will search for VPC. So I am in VPC dashboard now. I will click on VPC. I will select the VPC which I want to delete. Since currently I have only one manual VPC which I created in previous video only. Other VPC is default on. So I will delete this test VPC01. I will select this VPC and I will click on actions. Here I have an option called delete VPC. I will click on that. It is showing us an option that what all things will be deleted. It is saying that public subnet, private subnet and security group, one route table and one internet gateway. These all things will be deleted with this VPC. To delete this, here we have to type delete in this box. So we will type delete. Click on delete. Here we can see message, you successfully deleted VPC, test VPC and 5 other resources. In this way, we successfully deleted our desired VPC. Now we can see we have only one VPC running and this is default VPC. We can't delete this VPC. That is all about this video. Please hit that like button if you liked this and also subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.